Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some holographic Sailor Moon inspired keychains. So let's jump in and get started. I'm using the liquid diamonds resin today. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my liquid diamonds, I'll link one of my tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. In that video, I show you step by step how to mix your resin. So I added 3 drops of sky blue resin dye from Let's Resin to my clear resin, gave that a good mix, and we're just filling up the molds. Super easy to do this. I got this mold off Etsy. I'll link it down below. I think it was $9.99, so not too bad. And I did have a few small bubbles, so I'm just going in with a silicone paintbrush and scooping them out. And I'm actually just wiping the paintbrush off on my gloved hand, or I like to work over parchment paper, so you can just wipe those bubbles off on your parchment paper. This lotus flower here, I really had a lot of bubbles clinging into the petals, so I'm just carefully scooping those out, and now we're going to add our holographic inserts. You can get this off Etsy as well. I'll link it down below. This one was actually a 4x4 square, and I cut it in half. I just pulled off the transfer tape backing, and I'm just placing that right on top of the wet resin. You want to make sure you place that holographic rainbow side on the wet resin. You can see the back side here is not holographic at all. You want that side facing up and this rainbow side here touching the wet resin. And these inserts that cover the entire bottom of your piece, you might get some air bubbles. And if you do, don't worry, just pick it up and reposition the piece down. See right here, I had a really big air bubble. Sometimes that happens when you're using these sheets that cover the entire bottom of your piece, so you can just pick it up and reposition it back down until you get that air bubble under there. This one here, or the 2 round ones, I wanted to try a different type of holographic insert just to see how they would turn out. Let them dry overnight. Here we are ready to pop them out of the mold. I pulled off those holographic inserts. This one here, you can see I used a smaller insert, and I'll link these down below as well. Those ones I don't have as much of a problem with bubbles as the ones that cover the entire bottom of the piece. But it does leave like a little crater indentation on the bottom of the piece. So, it is what it is with those. You can't really fill that up with resin. You can't pour over the holographic effect at all, or it will disappear. And the pieces like this one that I used the full sheet holographic insert on top of, you will have a little bit of kind of like overspill or overflow, and you can just break that off really easy. You can see I just broke that right off. Here's how this one turned out. I love the wands, the little heart wand and that wand there, and the lotus flower turned out really pretty too. So I just took my little handheld drill. You can get this off Amazon, drilled a hole in the top, screwed in an eye screw, attached these cute little pom-poms. You can get these pom-poms off Amazon as well. I'll link them down below. And you have a finished keychain. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Helps out my channel if you watch a few of my videos back to back. And let me know which one of these is your favorite down in the comments. I love this heart wand. It's so cute with the little pom-pom, and I love this one too. I think they're all just really cute. But let me know which one's your favorite, and I'll be sure to link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. I have a coupon code for the liquid diamonds resin. It works really great for projects like this. You can see it has hardly any bubbles, so it's great for projects when you're using transparent resin or clear resin. And this one, the holographic effect, turned out really awesome. I just love how it looks in the sunshine. But let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you all so, so much. I hope you're all doing fabulous, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye, guys.